everyone, today's topic is how to add events from Google Calendar to Outlook with Office 365 automatically. Maintaining Google Calendar and Outlook separately can be useful but also stressful, don't you think so? Keeping these two applications up to date takes a lot of time and effort. So, how about an automation? Here in this video, we are going to connect Google Calendar with Outlook with the help of an integration and automation software that is Pabbly Connect, with the help of which we will be able to sync Google Calendar with Outlook. So whenever a new event is added in Google Calendar, it will automatically create it in Outlook too. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is it doesn't require any kind of coding skills or programming knowledge. Now let's begin with an example. Okay, this is my Google Calendar and this is my Outlook calendar. Here in the Google Calendar, I'm going to create or add event and we'll see whether it is created in Outlook calendar or not. So let us create an event on, I can say on 5th of July. Okay, here the event name is Meeting of Employees. Okay, now timing is 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Okay, now here I'm adding the location, that is Bhopal. Adding the description here. Okay, this is employees meeting. Okay, now click on save. Okay, the event is created on 5th of July 2021. Now I'm going to check on Outlook calendar whether it is created there or not. Okay, so this is my Outlook calendar and here the event is created. That is employees meeting. Okay, wonderful. Now this was the example just to show you that I have created the event in Google Calendar and it is automatically created in Outlook calendar too. Now to learn the process and to begin it, let's type pabbly.com in your browser. Press enter. Okay, this is the site of Pabbly. Here you have to click on products and you have to click on connect. That's how you will reach to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here you have to click on sign in. As I have already created my account, that's why I'm directly signing in. You can also create your free account just in 2 minutes. Click on sign in. This is my account. Here I'm going to click on connect access now. Okay, this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here I'm going to create a workflow with the help of this create workflow button. And here you have to name your workflow. So I'm naming it as Google Calendar to Outlook. Okay, now click on create. Okay, so whenever you'll click on create, this window will appear. This window is known as trigger window. Okay, before proceeding, let me just mention that I will add the link of this workflow in the description box. You can clone it and directly access into your account. Okay, so we were on trigger window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger or trigger window? So let me tell you, automation works on the concept of triggers and actions. Trigger says when this happens and action says do this. Suppose in this use case, whenever a new event is added in Google Calendar will be a trigger. Create the same event in Outlook automatically will be action. Okay, so let's begin and choose a trigger application. Here you have to choose the trigger application. I'm choosing it as Google Calendar. Okay, and here you have to choose a trigger event and that is new event. Okay, now before proceeding, let me just go back to this Google Calendar and here I'm creating another event. Okay, so I'm telling you why I'm creating this right now. First of all, let's create the event that is teachers meeting. Okay, and here I'm adding the time that is 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Okay, and here the location is Indore. Okay, and description is, I can say, meeting of teachers. Okay, now click on save. Okay, here on the 7th of July, I have created an event that is teachers meeting. Okay, now I'm going back to Pabbly Connect. Here, firstly, we have to connect Google Calendar with Pabbly. Okay, that's why I have created an event just before the connection. Okay, so I have connected it and I'm just clicking on connect and just clicking on connect with Google Calendar. Okay. Here you have to choose the email where you have created the event in calendar. So I'm clicking this account because I have created event in calendar of this account. Okay, here it will ask for the access. You can trust Pabbly, it is 100% safe, and click on allow. Okay, now here this field is visible. This field is basically the name of calendar which is visible in this Google Calendar too, like this Gary Monroe, Holidays in India, and other calendars. Okay, so these are same as visible here, that is Holidays in India, and this is the name. So here we have to choose the particular calendar name where our event is created. Okay, so our event is created in this basic folder, that is Gary Monroe. Okay, here I'm going back to Pabbly Connect. Here I have chosen the same name and I'm going to click on save and send test request. Okay. Okay, so the event details are with us now and the event is created there, which is now available here too. So we have successfully connected our Google Calendar with Pabbly. Now we are connecting Pabbly with Microsoft Office 365 Outlook Calendar. So for that you have to click on this plus button and just choose an application for action. Okay, that is Microsoft Office 365. Okay, and here I'm going to choose action event as create event in calendar. Okay, here I'm going to click on connect just to connect my Microsoft account with Pabbly account. So click on connect. Again, connect with Microsoft Office 365. Okay, here it will again ask for the access. You can just click on yes, as it is 100% safe. I've already mentioned before. Click on yes. Okay, the authorization is successful. Here we have successfully connected Microsoft Office 365 with Pabbly. Now here all the fields will be available for the mapping from this above trigger window. Now these details will be available here as a mapping section. Okay, so here again the required field is calendar name of Outlook. So I'm going back to my Outlook calendar and here I'm just showing you that this is the folder we want to add event. Okay, in this folder we will be adding the event. Here I'm going back to Pabbly Connect and here I'm going to mention the subject and it will add as description. You can map it from here, as I have already mentioned that the mapping will be available. And content, I'm not very interested. Start date. Okay, here we have to mention the start date and start date is okay, this is the start date time. We can mention it from here and map it from here. Here we have to add the time zone and time zone is basically India. It is for me that I'm mentioning India as a time zone. You can mention it of your own. And here I have to mention the end date. Here I can map it from here and this is end date. Okay, this is end date time, and here I have to mention the end time zone also. So here I'm going to type it as India. Okay, now click on this. Okay, here I'm setting the reminder just to make sure that I'll be get reminded by 30 minutes before. So I'm adding the reminder. Okay, and the importance is low. Importance is according to your event, so I'm keeping the same as it is. And location, it is I can say okay, so the location is Indore. Okay, now here name, email, I'm keeping it as empty and the type is optional. You can choose it from the right below. Okay, now here I'm going to click on save and send test request just to check whether the response of creating event went to Outlook calendar or not. So just clicking on save and send test request. Okay, so the response is received. That means the event details are with us and we have successfully connected Microsoft Office 365 Outlook calendar with Pabbly. So here all the details are available. Now I'm going back to my Outlook calendar just to check whether the same event is created or not. Okay, so here on the 7th of July the event is created, that is meeting of teachers. Wonderful. Now I'm closing it and going back to Pabbly Connect. That's how we connected our Google Calendar with Outlook Calendar with the help of Pabbly Connect. Here I'm just minimizing these two windows. Okay, so this was trigger window and this was action window. First we have connected Google Calendar with Pabbly and then we have connected Pabbly with Microsoft Office 365 Outlook Calendar. I would like to mention one more thing, that Outlook takes some time, that is 5 minutes or 10 minutes or sometime it's more, to add event that has been created in Google Calendar. So don't panic and wait for some time. Thank you for watching. I hope you find it helpful. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.